ಟೀಸರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನು? ಜೊತೆಗೆ
I am not very sure of my successes. For me, every film is like my first film. So I realized to whatever we write, whatever we think in our mind, finally that emotion, that story has to get conveyed to the audience through the faces of the actors. So if you ask me what is my success, I will say one of my success is that I select the best actors to play the roles of my characters. For instance, in this I have Komaram Bheem and Alluri Sita Rama Raju, Ram and Bheem. And it's very important for me to select the right actors for that. And I have fantastic actors, NTR and Charan, to play those characters. And I have Alia Bhatt, who plays a very crucial role when we have these kind of high energy characters on the screen. There needs to be a person who can, control them or unite them or be a bridge between these two forces. So it is very important to select the actors. I think one of the successes is that I was able to select very good actors for my films.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಗೂಸ್ ಪಂಪ್ಸ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು. So as a director, all those sequences, elements, is that the driving factor for you to direct a movie, or all elements you keep in the movie to make it a completely pulling factor for the audience to come to theater?
Okay, let me put it like this. When I first start off the story in the initial movements, is obviously the movements that will make me go wow. Now, it's not about the audience. At that point of time, I don't think of the audience. At that point of time, I think only of myself. Am I going wow? Will I be so interested in putting my time into this venture and then getting those thoughts onto the screen? Because all the thoughts of mine are larger than life. So it will take a lot of time to put them on screen the way I imagined it. So my question to myself is that, is the wow factor so big that I will invest 2 years or 3 years of my time in this particular story? If my yes goes for all those high moments, then I go for them. Obviously, those high moments will make me go forward with the project. But it is not just a high. It is not just the elevations. No, there should be an emotion that supports the elevation. Without that emotion, the high will not be a high at all. You'll just see once and say, this is nice, and it will just fall flat. The emotion should be there at underneath, and every action piece, I was telling last time also, even a song like Natu Natu, Halli Natu song, which is such a mass number with 2 mass heroes, even that has a lot of emotion underneath it. Without emotion, I cannot, my film will not function. Thank you.
Check. Hi sir, this is from here, right side of you. Yes, this is Harshavardhan from News 18 Kannada. We know that this movie is inspired by Komaram Bheem and Alluri Sita Rama Raju. How much of the movie is created or inspired, and how much of the movie is real incident based?
See, the inspiration for the movie is not just the characters, or the freedom fighters themselves, but it is their undying spirit. That is I am fully inspired by that. But as a story, the story is completely fictional. Not even one scene, not even one shot is history. Everything is fictional. But if you look at the spirit that with the fierceness that they fought against the British for the independence, that fierceness is completely real. That is what we got inspired from, and that is what you see in the film.